This now is natural wig. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair.
Yeah, oh my God, look at that girl. The way she moving back, yo, I done lost. Wine poco, go down poco. Oh no no, say wine poco, go down poco. Yeah.
ReadyWig, shout out to ReadyWig for sending me this wig. Thank you so much. I'm in love with this wig. Did you see that hairline? Did you see that hairline? If you want, you can look it again, but I think that you don't need it. It come. Do you see the lace from? The lace is very soft. This is the construction. It comes with adjustable straps. Comes in the side and one in the middle. If you can see, if you can appreciate it, okay? An adjustable strap, like I said. Okay, girls. It come with baby hair. You can do yeah, the baby hair. You do all that. Let me put it on so you can see how it look. Did you see that wig? Synthetic wear. Okay, you girl is blind. Okay, DivaNy is blind. I need my glasses or prescription contact lenses. Not the two. Did you see that hair? It's bomb. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair. Okay, my beautiful divas out there. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DivaNy hair, aka DivaNy. No, it's DivaNy, aka DivaNy hair. Did you catch me? Ha, honey. Honey, boo boo, hello, boo boo, my baby. It's what? Oh, DivaNy. Hazam. This wig is the bomb. Let me bring it. Wait, see the girls, please. See this girls. I don't know how much time I brush the hair, because let me tell you something. When you brush the hair, you have to brush it because it's not normal. It's natural. It's synthetic hair, and if you have curls down, it's going to tangle. You have to brush it to have this beautiful thing here. Okay, it's normal. So yeah, this wig is from ReadyWig.com. ReadyWig.com. Shout out to ReadyWig to send me this wig. Okay, I'm going to leave all the links down below. All the company, the website, this wig, and you have more affordable and colorful wigs for the summer. Summer is here. Take your money, porque estamos a final de mes, and go and buy a wig, okay? You see, you DivaNy girl. But this wonderful way is more than a man love it. I can tell. Okay. The truth about this wig is that normal. It's under normal. It's synthetic wig. It said it tangle because you have to brush it because you have curls. If you have curl down, it's going to tangle. But girls, you see this? No shine. I pluck here a little bit too much, but I like it like that. No. Porque yo no tengo esto finito así. No. So I pluck here and it's like for a wig, as you can see by the title, but hello, can glue it and put it here, send it here, and do this and do that. So you can, I think you can take like a bond here or something like that. Okay, so that is all my divas. Let me know for everything. Okay, I'm going to leave the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, comment and share. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.